If you really want to change your life, these 10 online jobs are your ticket, and the only thing standing between you and success is how passionately you show up every single day. Each job on this list has the power to turn a total beginner into a full-time earner, but only if you stay consistent. Let's start with freelance video editing. This is one of the fastest growing skills online because thousands of creators, businesses, and brands desperately need help. Even as a beginner, you can start earning good money just by mastering simple cuts and transitions. Next up, graphic design. With platforms like Canva, it's never been easier to create logos, banners, and thumbnails. Get good at this, and clients will be chasing you, because strong visual content is the heartbeat of every online business. Copywriting is another absolute life. Companies will pay you serious money if you know how to write words that sell the best part. You can learn this entire skill for free online, just by practicing every day. Then there's virtual assistants. This opens the door to managing emails, scheduling tasks, and handling social media for busy entrepreneurs. If you're an organized person, this is a skill you can learn and monetize quickly. And speaking of social platforms, social media management is one of the highest demand jobs right now. Brands need someone who understands trends, knows how to use hashtags, and can keep an audience engaged. Moving on, we have online tutoring and teaching. You can earn a great income simply by teaching a subject you already know, whether it's a language, math, coding, or even video editing. Then there's affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by recommending products people already want. There's no inventory to manage and no customer service to handle, just smart promotion to the right audience. Content creation is another incredibly powerful path. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram can pay you for views, sponsorships, and even fan support. Once you build an audience, your passion can literally become your paycheck. And if you want a business that runs 24/7, check out Drop. It allows you to sell products all over the world without ever storing or shipping them yourself. All you need to master is marketing and understanding what customers want. Finally, we have print on. This gives you the freedom to create custom t-shirts, mugs, and posters. When someone buys your design, it automatically gets printed and shipped. You can turn your creativity into automated income. The truth is, every single one of these online jobs has created thousands of success stories, and you could absolutely be the next one. But passion is the key. When you show up consistently, work on improving your skills every single day, and refuse to quit, nothing can stop you from building the future you want. These 10 opportunities are the doorway to that life-changing journey you've been searching for. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more ideas to change your life.